Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best RX350 accessories is probably one of the most effective ways to personalize your ride and elevate your driving experience. Whether you're looking to enhance the aesthetics, boost functionality, or protect your investment, the right accessories can make a world of difference. From practical additions to luxury upgrades, we'll explore the top accessories that will transform your Lexus RX350. Number 5. 3W Floor Mats for Lexus RX, 2016 to 2022. These floor mats are designed for maximum coverage. The TPE material ensures the interior of your Lexus RX is protected with strength, resilience, and durability. These mats are perfect for all seasons. They are stain-resistant, waterproof, and anti-slip, protecting your car's carpet from the elements. Made with non-toxic and odorless TPE material, these mats ensure a safe and comfortable environment. There will be no foul smell, even in high temperatures. Cleaning these floor liners is a breeze. Whether it's dust, dirt, or sand, a quick wash with water or a damp towel will do the trick. Designed with care, these mats are made for your taste. The Red Dot Award 2017 winner is always with you. What we like. These floor mats offer edge-to-edge coverage, ensuring maximum protection for your Lexus RX. They are made from odorless and non-toxic materials, creating a safer environment for you and your family. If you prioritize complete protection and a healthy car interior, you should consider these mats. What people say. They fit perfectly and feel durable. They stay in place, trap dirt and water well, and are super easy to clean. Fit perfectly and was exactly as described. Great quality and included door step area coverage for the middle row. Number 4. MAXLINER for 2016 to 2022 Lexus RX. Introducing the MAXLINER Cargo Trunk Liner, designed to protect your vehicle's interior. This liner provides all-weather, stain-resistant protection from snow, mud, and other elements. This liner is custom designed for your Lexus RX. The raised lip and custom design ensure a perfect fit, safeguarding your car's carpet from spills and messes. Cleaning is a breeze. You can easily clean it by hosing it off or spot cleaning with soap and water. It's designed to enhance the look of your car's interior. The liner is made from a 100% recyclable plastic rubber and polyethylene blend. It's also 100% odorless, providing a safe and environmentally friendly solution. Get the MAXLINER Cargo Trunk Liner for your Lexus RX. It's the perfect way to protect your car's interior from whatever the road throws your way. Get yours today. What we like. These cargo trunk liners provide all-weather protection, shielding your vehicle from the elements. The custom-fit design ensures a perfect match for your RX. If you frequently transport items that could potentially spill or cause a mess, this is a great choice. What people say. Installed front, back seats, and cargo mats. These fit like the proverbial glove, as if they were poured into their respective spaces. The curved edges of all four mats protect all of the carpet, and would contain all but a huge, unimaginable spill. Fit pretty exact. Quality of material good. Will help out keeping the carpet from being messed up. Number 3. MAXLINER Floor Mats for 2016 to 2022 Lexus RX. Introducing the MAXLINER Floor Mats, designed to shield your vehicle's interior. These mats provide all-weather, stain-resistant protection against snow, mud, sand, and even salt water. These floor liners are custom designed for your Lexus RX. The raised lip and custom design, created with innovative vehicle scanning technology, ensure a perfect fit, safeguarding your car's carpet from spills and messes. Keeping these mats clean is a breeze. You can easily clean them by hosing them off or spot cleaning with a damp cloth, soap, and water. It's that simple to maintain the look of your car's interior. Enhance your car's interior with the mat's textured, skid-resistant, and sleek design. They not only protect your car but also improve its overall appearance. These mats are made from an eco-friendly blend. The 100% odorless protection is made using a 100% recyclable plastic rubber and polyethylene blend, ensuring both safety and environmental responsibility. What we like. These floor mats offer all-weather protection, guarding against snow, mud, and spills. The custom fit design ensures a perfect match for your Lexus RX. If you want to keep your car's interior clean and protected, these mats are an excellent option. What people say. MAXLINER is custom fit and durable. The mats fit perfectly to my car. The curved edges of all four mats protect all of the carpet and would contain all but a huge, unimaginable spill. Number 2. Fitcamx 4K dash cam for Lexus RX 2016 to 2022, Model B. This dash cam seamlessly integrates into your Lexus RX from 2016 to 2022. It looks like it came straight from the factory, with no visible alterations or messy wires. The installation is clean and simple. With built-in Wi-Fi and the Fitcamx app, you can easily preview and transfer videos to your phone. Share your recordings on social media with just a few taps. The camera automatically starts when you start your car. Capture every detail with the 4K dash cam. The CMOS sensor and f1.6 aperture lens ensure ultra-clear video, even in low light. The WDR technology adjusts exposure for optimal image quality. Never worry about running out of space with loop recording. The dash cam overwrites the oldest footage when the storage is full. Parking mode and the G sensor protect your car by automatically recording any impacts. Made with high-density ABS plus PC materials, the dash cam is built to last and withstand various temperatures. We offer prompt technical support, so you can buy with confidence. Contact us if you have any issues. What we like. This dash cam seamlessly integrates into your Lexus RX, maintaining its factory look. It records in stunning 4K, capturing every detail on the road. If you want a discreet, high-quality dash cam that's easy to use, this one is perfect for you. What people say. The footage quality is great, the app is simple to use and most importantly it looks OEM and super discreet. No wires, no mess. Easy to install the camera and set up the app. The finished look is OEM and looked like it came direct from manufacturer install. The camera videos are clear, night or day. Number 1. Lexus RX 2016 to 2022 Aluminum Cargo Racks. Introducing the perfect accessory for your Lexus RX. These aluminum cargo racks are designed to elevate your vehicle's functionality and style. This rack is fully compatible with various roof accessories. You can easily attach cargo carriers, bike racks, and more. The key-lockable design ensures your items are secure. Installation is simple, with no drilling or cutting needed. It fits cars with side rails effortlessly. The crossbars are adjustable to fit your needs. The design ensures you can still use your sunroof without any issues. These roof racks are the ideal solution for carrying extra luggage. They are a great addition to your Lexus RX, providing both convenience and security. What we like. These roof rack crossbars are compatible with a wide range of accessories, expanding your cargo options. They are lockable for security and feature an adjustable length for a customized fit. If you enjoy outdoor activities or need extra cargo space, these racks are a must-have. What people say. Installed these on our 2018 RX350 HL without issue. The pins to mate with the holes in the factory rails and the outsides have nice rubber pads to keep from marring the roof rails. Overall look and fit was probably 90% of OEM for less than 50% of the cost. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.